Let's explore Yashaka Shrine, also known as Gion Shrine, and Higashiyama District here in Kyoto, Japan. Kyoto was once the capital city of Japan and one of the country's 10th largest city with 1.5 inhabitants and a modern face. Over the century, Kyoto was destroyed by many wars and fire, but due to its exceptional historical value, countless temple, shrine, and other historical priceless structure still survive in the city today. We are now entering one of the most famous shrine here in Kyoto. Yashaka Shrine, also known as Gion Shrine, was founded over 1,350 years ago. The shrine is located between the popular Gion and Higashiyama district and often visited by tourists walking between the two. Yashaka Shrine is well known for its summer festival, the Gion Matsuri, which celebrate every July, one of the most famous festivals in the whole country. The Gion Matsuri dates back over 1,000 years and involved a procession with massive floats and hundreds of participants. The shrine also became busy during the cherry blossom season around early April. If you have noticed, a lot of lanterns are being placed in front of the main shrine, which each lantern bears a local business name in return for donation. Sige, today. Ano to, Ara? Magtatapay niya, Cha. Ito, ano na? Ano na ang picture?
Kanang makita ang
A few meters walk from Jiun Shrine is Yeshaka Pagoda, also known as the Tower of Yeshaka. It's a Buddhist pagoda located at Tokyo, Japan. The 5-story tall pagoda is the last remaining structure of the 6th century temple complex known as Huken Temple. The total height of this Buddhist pagoda is 46 meters tall, with a graceful slopy roof of each tiers, which lies in the middle of the old Tokyo neighborhood.
Thank you.